Hi, I'm Mike. Today I want to show you how to properly clean your hearing aid. So there's a dome at the tip of the hearing aid. What you want to do is take a toothbrush, preferably not the one you use to brush your teeth, and brush it off like this. You can brush it briskly. Then there's a microphone back here. You can also brush those too. Once you do that, it should be clean. If it's still a lot of debris in there, what you can do is you take your thumbnail and you push it down in between here and snap it off. You'll actually feel or hear a snap. Inside there's a small white filter. Same thing, you're gonna take the toothbrush and brush that filter off. Once you do that, if you have what we call a lock that holds it in place, you can slide that lock off. And you can continue to brush the speaker if need be. Then you're gonna take this lock, slide it back on, make sure everything is clean. The dome should have, in these holes here, it should be clear, so you should be able to see into that. Then you're gonna take this and you're gonna feel or hear a snap back on. That should solve the problem, if there is one. Now, if you have a hearing aid with a mold, same concept. There's a small port right here. You're gonna take the brush and just brush that off. That should do it, as long as either the mold or the dome has a clear opening and is clean of any debris. It will not affect the performance of the hearing aid.